Thankfully, now the radar is quiet and dry. If you have any plans to head outside for lunch, I would say why not? Right now, the wind out of the east helping us out. We have that breeze that makes it feel a little bit more pleasant, 8 to 14 miles an hour. And that's also creating that dangerous risk of rip currents. Keep that in mind. Low to mid 80s in Broward and Dade and down through the Keys and around the rest of the state. We're seeing the 70s across the Big Bend, 68 in Tallahassee, low 80s across Central Florida. In the meantime, the 40s for the northern tier of the country, 50s and 60s through the northeast, and the widespread 50s and 60s really across much of the rest of the country as we're dealing with the wet, wintry weather here for the Four Corners region into the Rockies, and Texas is getting soaked as well as portions of the Gulf Coast states and the Panhandle. For us today, we are going to see some clouds at times with spotty showers, temperature right around 86 with that northeast breeze. We are going to see the possibility of minor coastal flooding also due to the full moon, higher than normal tides. So keep that in mind along the Atlantic beaches. That'll be a possibility. For boaters, winds east 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 to 6, a moderate chop on the bays. And tonight, passing showers nice and mild, 75 degrees. So we'll still have enough moisture lingering at the surface that could squeeze out a few showers later today. The rain chances not too high though, and as we head throughout the next few days, there could be some spotty storms. And then here comes the front. Can you see it? Yep, very dry air and also cooler air is on the way. So as we get through the next few days, temperatures will climb to near 90 by Friday with a chance for breezy storms. Saturday still very warm, and then the cold front is set to move in. And by Sunday, check it out. Highs will be in the low 80s and we could see lows in the upper 60s. In the meantime, in the tropics, Hurricane Willa Category 3 is bringing heavy rain, life-threatening storm surge to the coast of Mexico. And we'll be watching this area of low pressure that is forecast to develop a low chance of becoming tropical or subtropical in the next 5 days, and we'll keep you updated. Lauren and Maribel.